Hello viewers, today I'm going to share a dumpling recipe with you. Before moving on to the recipe, please subscribe to my channel, Learning Made Easy Peasy. If you like the video, don't forget to press the like button and hit the bell icon so that you can get all the recipes as soon as they're uploaded. Moving on to the recipe, we need flour 125 gram, yeast 1 teaspoon, sugar 1 teaspoon, salt 1/4 teaspoon. I'm going to give it a good mix. I will be adding water to it in 2 portions, 100 ml each time. Let's add water 100 ml and give it a mix. Now I'm going to add the remaining 100 ml of water to it and give it a good mix until a mixture is formed. The mixture should not be too runny or too thick. Now that the mixture is ready, I am going to let it rest with no lid on for about 10 minutes. Heat up the oil in a pan or a wok. We have to set the flame to medium-low. For the dumplings, we have to dip a spoon in cold water. Dipping the spoon in water will help the mixture to drip off very easily. We will be following the same procedure to make the dumplings. That is, dipping the spoon in water, taking half a spoon of the mixture and dipping it in oil. Dipping the spoon in water will help the mixture not to stick with the spoon. We must keep an eye on the dumplings that are being fried. When the dumplings get golden brown in color, we will be taking them out on a blotting paper. We are going to stir fry the dumplings and keep stirring them so that they won't burn and get even color. Now the dumplings are done. I'm going to take them out on the blotting paper. I'm going to set the dumplings in the serving plates. Drip honey on them. I'm going to sprinkle some sesame seeds on top of the dumplings. And the dumplings are ready to be served. Serve the dumplings hot with tea or coffee. I hope you liked the video. Stay tuned for more recipes. To get the recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the like button and hit the bell icon so that you can get the recipes as soon as they are uploaded. Don't forget to share the recipes with your families and friends. Enjoy! Thank you!